Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off Instagram story comments. First of all, open the Instagram application. On the home screen you will see profile icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on it. Here tap on hamburger icon at the top right corner. Settings and activities section will appear. Scroll down and tap on the option comments. Now tap on the stories option. Here you will see the control section under which you have the options to select that who can comment on your stories. So select the off option and your comments on all stories will be turned off from now onwards. But if you just want to turn off comments on a single story, then go back and open your story. After opening the story, tap on three dots at the bottom right corner. Then select the option Turn off commenting to turn the comments off on this individual story. And this is how you can turn off Instagram story comments.